Buying EOS token with fiat on Guardarian is easy and secure. Go to our homepage, find EOS in the cryptocurrencies list, and enter the amount you wish to spend. Please pay attention to the minimum amount available for your exchange. For each transaction, we provide exchange details. Guardarian has transparent fees and doesn't charge you with any additional fees. Please note, depending on market volatility, the final amount can be changed. Ensure you have read the terms and conditions, fill in your wallet address and deposit tag, and hit details. Write your phone number for SMS verification. Your number is needed for further verification steps, and Guardarian will never call you. Enter the code next. The following step is a quick and easy verification of your identity. Select your preferred document and take a picture. Next up is a facial verification. Turn on your camera, place your face within the frame, and roll the head in a circular motion. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes. Finally, you'll need to manually make the payment from your bank account. Use the reference number performing the bank transfer. Payment from another person's account and payment without reference would be cancelled. The exchange will be performed immediately after we receive payment. That's all. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a message in the comments.